Good day. Would you please introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Cherry Vimiliar, 31 years old, single from Mauban, Quezon Province, Philippines.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one brother and one sister, sir.
And what is your highest educational attainment?
I graduated in alternative learning school in secondary high school.
Okay, so do you have any experience working as a domestic helper before?
Yes, sir.
Is it in the Philippines or overseas?
Overseas, sir.
For how many years?
I worked for 2 years in Saudi Arabia.
Oh, okay. So, what are your daily routine works inside the house?
My daily routine inside the house is like cleaning, cooking, washing the dishes, washing clothes, ironing, and taking care of the baby.
So, how many children does your employer have?
They have two children,
How old are they?
5 years old and newborn babies.
And how did you take care of the children?
And taking care of them by preparing food, feed them, playing with them, and change their diaper.
So, do you prepare any song for your future employer's children in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, please.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Thank you for that. Are you willing to do overtime job if requested?
Yes, sir.
And are you willing to work with other helper in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
What if your employer doesn't give you a Saturday or Sunday holiday? Is it okay for you?
It's okay for me, sir.
So how many years you can work in Hong Kong?
2 years or more, sir, as long as the employer need me.
Okay, so can you tell something about yourself to convince your future employer in Hong Kong?
Good day, ma'am and sir. Please hire me because I am honest, I am trustworthy, I will treat you like my family, and I will take care of your children like my own child. And I promise I will do my duties and responsibilities as your helper. Thank you, sir.
Okay, can you show us your smile, please? Thank you for coming.